but you have brought me through so much. The least that I can do is to show you. I'm getting up early so that I can say my thanks, right? Before I start my day, because when I don't, things don't go, my day don't be filled with joy, and then I can look back and say, dang, I should have got up earlier, and just enough to say thank you, God.
I forgive you for redefining what happiness means to you, because I used to let my happiness be dictated and defined off other people. Oh, let me go out of town with my partner, let me go on a cruise, let me go sit around the trap, just chill all day. That shit, that didn't what make me happy. But what make me happy is playing my plants all day. I can do that all day. That's my happiness. I ain't gotta go. I done been around the world. I don't care nothing about no beach nowhere. Put me in the rainforest and shit. I'm fine. That's me.
Exhale, bring your hands together into Seema. Stop in front of your chest.
I just want to say that you are incredibly kind-hearted.
Yeah.
Incredibly kind-hearted. And I feel that the reason why you are so effective when you are expressing love to others because the way that you love. And I recognize that because I used to be that way as well.